get you all the way across the house. I can't seem to do this math problem.
Oh, this is easy. Some quick easy steps with how to solve radical equations. Who are you talking to?
So, that's right. On this episode of Math Help 101, we're going to be learning how to solve radical equations. So, we are going to start things off with an easier problem, maybe a brain refresher if you will. So get comfortable and stick tuned. We're going to have a great time. So we're starting out with the problem, the square root of x minus 9 equals 5 squared. Now, what do we need to do? Well, in order to get the numbers out of their square roots, we are going to need to square up both sides, as you can see Chloe doing. So now we can just go ahead and solve 5 squared, which would be 25. And from there, you're going to want to isolate the x value by adding 9 to both sides. And as you can see, you'd then be left with 34, which is your answer. Now that we've got the hang of these problems, we can now try a more difficult one. But don't be afraid, you are doing great and practice makes perfect. I am so sorry about the quality of this clip. Our camera was just not wanting to focus, but anyway, the problem reads the square root of 15x plus 10 equals 2x plus 3 squared. And so as you can see, Chloe is just squaring both of those sides. We're going to be using the FOIL method. We're going to multiply the first terms, the second terms, the inner terms, and the outer terms. And when we do that, you can see we get 4x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 9. So since this is a quadratic equation, we need to move all values to the right side, therefore making the equation equal to 0. So 0 equals 4x squared minus 3x minus 1. So in order to solve the quadratic, we are going to use a slip and slide method. So we're going to bring the a value, which is in this case 4, and slide and multiply it by the c value, which results in negative 4. Then we factor the c value in order to get the value that will add up to equal b and multiply to equal c. So now we have to look at the original value, which is 4, and divide it back into the equation. So negative 4 divided by 4 and 1 divided by 4. And we're going to get x minus 1 and 4x plus 1. After this, we're going to find the zeros. So x minus 1 equals 0, plus 1 on both sides, and you're going to get x equals 1. For the other side, 4x plus 1 equals 0, minus 1 on both sides, 4x equals negative 1. Divide by 4 on both sides, you're going to get x equals negative 1/4. Thank you so much for watching. We wanted to help Chloe's cousin out with this video, but also just anyone who's struggling with math. I'm so proud of you sticking through it. I know that if you're having trouble right now, you'll definitely get through it. And so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.